coming. Okay, Priscilla Jew. Oh, Bonnie, can you take the front row, please? Daddy said, say that this is alumni. Okay, who else? Who else, Valerie? I'm trying to look for Ohana. Reina, the actor unit here, come. Come, Reina. Anu here, Anu, come. Come on. Put the food down, Anu. Oh, Betty. No, Betty, wait. We need to do the haka after the house. Some of us was just made for the haka, girl. Okay. I just want to say aloha to my family because you know what? It's been a long time since we all been together. And we yield from the Maurice and Lahela Ohana, and we are very proud and we love each other very, very much. And this is like one of the, we haven't been together for a long, long time. So this is a really special treat. And Paisley Fair is an extension of my Auntie Francis's family, Auntie Kuhao. And so we're just so happy to be here. Actually, Grandma, you don't want to go in the front? Grandma. Okay, big room for me. I want Grandma too. Yeah, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, leho ohelo.